Jam, everyone. I'm back. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling too hot and crashed today. Unfortunately, it's just got to me. I think just all the commitments, all the busyness of my life at the moment. But Craig, mate, huge show with Eli yesterday. I tuned in for maybe half an hour, I think, of it before I had a few appointments. I actually caught up with Zeneca yesterday. It was real cool. And caught up with my mate as well whilst I was in Brizzy. So, I mean, I spent 5 hours in a car yesterday, and then I spent 3 hours in a car the day before. So and then sick. So my body's just aching. I'm like, oh my God, what's going on? But hey, it's a bull market. I put a tweet out this morning saying sleep should be a second priority during a bull market, and it's kind of gone a little bit viral. So people kind of agree with me there, but I definitely need to catch up on some sleep, maybe have a nap or something today. But Craig, GM to you, mate. Thursday here. We were literally talking off air just before about how frothy this market is, how many opportunities there are out there right now, and why it's so important to sort of just stay patient and exercise patience during a period of time like this. When you see really good chart setups, when the risk to reward is there, you just have to sit on your hands sometimes, ignore the chop, and then you start to reap the rewards like we're seeing today, mate. And we're going to talk about so much, guys, because the market is hot, and I'm talking about we're making money on several different chains in several different markets, and pretty much if you're not doing that, you probably should really reconsider your trading strategies and those sorts of things. So, Craig, that's a long intro, but GM to you, mate. How are you today?
GM, yeah. Good to have you back, Greeny. Yeah, good show with Eli yesterday. GMLG to the viewers. Yeah, it was a bit of a laugh. You say a few technical difficulties without the tech man, Greeny, but Greeny's going to chuck that water up. But yeah, it was a good.
It was so hot. It was so hot.
Shit, he's having a bad morning, guys. He's got the flu and he's burning his fucking mouth. That's going to peel. But funny day with Eli. Good day on the charts. Hopefully Greeny's mouth recovers.
I'm still here. Hold on.
Was that a coffee, Greeny?
Far out, man. I put water in there. I put cold water in it, and I just tapped it, and I got like a middle, and I was like, oh shit, I can't I have carpet in here, but I had to. I was just like, oh my God, where's my bin? My bin's over there. Oh my God.
Well, good start to the show. Fireworks, guys. Bitcoin holding, Ethereum starting to pump, which we can chat about finally. Yeah, bro, things are good. Abstract memes are pumping. I think Gooner's hit an all-time high. IC hit an all-time high. Pudgy Penguins are sitting at a gentle 47,000 per JPEG. So that's nice. So almost at the 50K mark, which is my first level I was kind of eyeing up. I did potentially want to look to sell there, but I'm gonna keep holding, man, because it looks like we still got higher to go. But yeah, that's a bit of a long rant for my intro as well, Greeny. So good morning, everyone. Good evening, everyone. And maybe let's have a look at where you spoke about we are making money everywhere, Greeny.
Yeah. So I mean, it's so good, man. Like it's nice to be hitting multiple sort of markets, right, and trends, right? We've spoken about all cycle about how if you can identify a trend early enough and position accordingly, you can start to take profits before, as the masses arrive, as the charts pump and all these sort of things happen, right? So for me, I'm making money on NFTs. I'm making money on base. I'm making money on Solana memes. I'm making money on abstract memes. I'm making money on futures. My spot bags are up. So, Greg, that's like bloody 6 or 7 opportunities right now where I've got either active or longer term sort of positions that I'm happy to sort of hold, right? So for me right now, I'm like, and this is just a lesson, man, that we've learned. I think we go higher for longer. Definitely. I really do. But man, it feels good to be able to just sit here now and kind of just clip profits. For me, I'm like, it's about protecting my wealth. After this scam, after paying tax, after everything that's happened to me, I'm kind of like, no. If I can run up this 6-figure bag to multiple 6 figures, maybe get closer to 7 again, then I can be sick. That's literally the goal. So I'm a big advocate for taking profit during a period like this. I know a lot of people are like, oh, you could just hold for higher, but I'm like, yeah, but you're never going to sell, man. I've
could hold for higher.
I've talked to thousands of people, read tens of thousands of tweets. It's just you're not. I promise you. You think you're going to. This bag's up 2x, but this bag's only up 5%. So you wanna run the 2x bag when you should be looking to take your initials out. All these sort of things, man. It's just you are the people that will round trip your bags, or you're the people that will never take profit because you believe in it too much for the sake of nothing. It's we are here to replace what we can't do in the real world, right? We are here to make money. We're here to unlock financial freedom, and crypto gives us that opportunity every day. But people fail to do that, Craig, because they don't have a trading plan. They don't have a take profit. They don't have a sell strategy. And so it's a big thing that we'll be talking about over the coming weeks. And GM to everyone who's tuning in. And I'm excited, man, because it's nice to be positioned. And we spoke about this for so long. So I think this is a good topic to start on. Just the patience. So many people like, Greeny, like my money's not up yet, or Greeny, I'm chopping, it's down 5%, oh, Greeny, it's down 10%, oh, it's up now 15%. I'm like, bro, pull out the daily chart, pull out the weekly chart, pull out the monthly chart, have a look at it, and then tell me, what do you like? It's a good risk to reward. You just need to stay patient, and we'll start printing money soon. It's come quicker than I thought, generally. I thought we're going to oscillate sideways till August, September. We've pumped now in July. It's great to see, but this is another topic I want to talk about. This cycle being fast tracked. So that's the next topic to talk about. But Craig, patience. Why does everyone need to hear about patience in this crypto market?
Well, yeah, I don't really know how to break that into a small chat, but I mean, ultimately, patience just equals higher profit in my experience. So the more patient you are, provided you're in the right asset, the profits are higher, and on a higher time frame like you spoke about on the weekly or monthly charts, like we've spoken about before. If you can ride a multi-month time wave, you've got months of upside, like what we're seeing with Pengu now. So obviously, you and me would have been so boring to the viewers for like 2 months, me going Pengu. You know, Greeny's going, Craig, what are you buying? I'm like, more Pengu. Everyone's like, yay, boo, boring. Give me a fucking fresh ticker. And now you guys see why that's what I was talking about for so long. Because for me, I just thought Pengu was going to be a beast, right?
Yeah.
Wasn't 100% sure it was going to be, but it had a fucking good chance of that. And now it's just outperforming everything. In fact, I saw a stat, was it up 600 to 700% in the last 90 days? It was the best performing asset of the top 100 for 3 months running. There we go, guys. There's no more data you need to hear than that. You know, we just put in your lap the best performing asset for the last 3 months. So that wins, man. Outperformed Bitcoin and outperformed everything. Pretty good.
You get alpha on this show. You get alpha on this show, man. I'm heating up. My meds have obviously kicked in, Craig, because I felt rubbish 45 minutes ago.
The pseudo's kicking in, lads.
Yeah, I'm on a heater, bro. I'm like, oh shit, my nose feels like I can breathe. I feel all right. My aches and pains in my back have gone. Like, it's nice, man. So
it's nice. I feel the morphine's hitting good.
And then the come down will just be as awful. But anyway, the interesting part, is I think a lot of people need to understand how crypto can kind of work, right? Like, I speak about this often. BTC only goes up about 47% of the time. So that doesn't even mean it goes up every 2 days. With that in mind, what I'm trying to say is some people set trading goals. They say, I want to make X amount of money today. I want to make X amount of money this month. I want to make X amount of money this week. That's a really poor strategy, because you're putting a limitation on yourself, because the market doesn't think about you. The market does whatever the hell it wants to do. So what you should do is never put a limitation on that. And what you should do is just trade the trends. So in a choppy market like we've seen since what? Maybe June. Since about April through to June. Stack positions. Okay. You're not going to make as much money in that period of time. Okay. So for me, I was like, look, I'm not phased about making too much money in between April and June. If I do, sit. Okay. If I don't, I know what's going to come later this year. Fast forward to July, Craig. I am up like a ridiculous amount of money in literally the past couple of weeks, because I was positioned for the last couple of months, and I knew that I didn't have a limitation. I didn't step away from the charts because I was like, oh no, I've met my trading goal, or I haven't met it. I need to do something else, right? My trading goal is to stay up to date with the trends and trade the trends, because I know a period of even if it's a week, okay, a week or a month of bullish price action can literally displace 12 months of bearish price action or 6 months of chop. Okay. You need to understand that. Like, if you can capture these trends, which here's the proof. Okay. Hold on. Here's the proof. Because people are like, Greeny. I'm like, nah, bro, here's the proof. Okay. All right. Here we go. I know it's a GTG show, but okay. Here's the proof, right? I was like, these positions I opened, and there's another page, okay? There, 2 whole pages. So I don't even know. That's 18 positions. And again, thousands of, I think I'm up 15 grand. I think it is up the whole port. And that's with only trading with 30 and only allocating about 10. So I'm up, yeah, 2.5x on the allocation of the port in literally just the past 2 or 3 weeks. People need to understand that these things don't, like, they take time, and so many people will get chopped up trying to scalp trade or use high leverage on the wrong positions, right? When you should just literally look for good charts, okay? Stay patient on higher time frames because you'll reap rewards. And as I said before, my July month will literally displace my first 6 months of the year nearly because of just how frothy it's been and how successful it has been because I was just patient. And I was patient enough to put myself into these positions, took some late ones like AR. But outside that, I mean, I've taken some huge positions here. Like my Doge and XRP trades are like massive in terms of how much I allocated to them. So it's just about patience, Craig. And I think we'll stop there because it's been a good start to the show with it. But guys, you don't need to make money all the time. What you need to do is make money at the right times.
Yeah, no, spot on. That's exactly right. And it works the same with my portfolio. My portfolio will, and I think a lot of traders, you'll see it'll go like that, and then boof. It's like stairs, and then it goes like that.
Yeah.
Another
Very
couple
well
of months, you look at mine, and then it goes boof, and then it's a tabletop, and then boom, tabletop. And it does that 4 or 5 times so far. And it's bang, 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 bang. But it's, yeah, and it takes time, but it's the in-between periods where it flatlines that you need to just not shit your pants. Obviously, scale out profit probably if it's hit your numbers. But the other thing you hit that I just quickly want to touch on was you mentioned having a plan and taking profit, but also people that are like, oh, no, it could go higher, so I'm going to keep holding. And that's exactly the reason why you set take profit prices or sell limits. You automate it if you like, or you do it manually, whatever you prefer, just to take the emotions out of it. Because if you say to yourself, oh, I'll just decide at the time, it's really hard to decide.
You will never, I promise you will never do it.
Yeah, it's hard. It's really hard, especially when you see the number going up because you think, well, if I sell here, if I don't sell here and I sell tomorrow, I could have 30% more, which is true, but you could have 50% less. So I think just stick to your take profits, set your goals of what the amounts are, shave it out. And that way, when it hits, don't even think, just execute. Just don't think because you won't think clearly.
That point you just made there about shaving it out, like just scale, bro. Like take 1%, take 5%. Then at least you could say, oh, I clicked the button and I clicked sell at the right time. My portfolio is at an all-time high. My abstract bags is up 10 grand this week. And I clicked some profit, took some profit.
Right.
So yeah, I mean, let's move over. So Cole makes a really good point. So Colin, who's in GTG, obviously a lot of new apps and stuff moving to base more recently. Thus, it still remains obviously Abstract's big competitor, but Abstract's really obviously got the front foot there in that department with the platform, with the consumers already, with the mind share, let's call it as well. So it's great to see that. The meme coins, Craig, are just on an absolute heater over on Abstract. I'm up 10 grand in the past week on Abstract. It's so good to see, man.
It's been silly season there. Yeah, fuck.
Let's go. I've got 5 grand of this. I clipped a little bit of profit this morning. I clipped a little bit of profit up here, but
I'm on the show, Greeny, and I don't even hold some of these.
But hey.
You can't beat everything though, chat. So anyone who's looking at this and feels FOMO, don't worry. I'm not in this either. You can't be in every, because there's so many charts that look like this, guys. We can bring these up all day and you're going to be like, how did I miss this? You can't be over everything, guys. So just chill out. Well done.
Unless you're green.
That's a great chart, bro. That breakout's ridiculous.
Yeah. Great to see. I mean, Greener's up 4 or 5x now since we got it. We literally gave you this on the show. This is like
my Eli coin now because I'm not in this, and this one's
we gave you this on the show down here at 550K.
Damn it! Yeah, this one kills me because I like that coin. I'm still not in it, but GG, man. Hey, Eli, if you're watching this, take some profit for God's sake at that.
Bro, I did. I agree. I had 2.25 million tokens of this. I would have made a fucking lot of money, but I stuck to my plan. I didn't get greedy. I stuck to my plan. I took some profits at the fibs, took some profits at this fib, took the profits when it retraced here. Then I took some more profits this morning. I mean, I could probably show my chart, my wallet. Hold on. Let's have a look. Yeah, there you go. Look, see, this is how you trade. Okay? Literally, buy low, sell high. Okay, I was looking to buy. I was hoping for this leg here. We lost, so I cut the position. Over here, buy low, sell high.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
just scaling up because you're never going to time the top. Okay, sick. This runs to 10 million. Sick, bro. I still made 5 figures on this. Sick.
Yeah, and also your risk is reduced. Obviously, as you scale out, your risk reduces. If you don't scale out, your risk's still there of losing your money. So you want to. I mean, Greeny's probably the same. You want to get your money back from the house as quickly as possible. So I did that with my Pengu trade recently. Actually, I took my initials out. It was at about a 3.5x higher than I typically would let it run. Took my initials out and said to myself, no. Why don't you just enjoy a free trade? So I took my initial Pengu. I've got a couple of Pengu bags, but basically I've got one I swing, one I hold. My swing one, I took my profit, took my initials, and I went, dude, why do you want so much in this when you could just have a legit free trade? So I was like, you know what? You're an idiot. Got my initials out, and now I can sit back and go, market, do as you will. Do as you will, like to a point.
For you, I sold my abstract Pengu into this pump a little bit. I only had like a grand or two, so it wasn't a lot. My Pengu 2 allocation is at $27,000. That's up 3-4x. Should I transfer that to abstract for XP? Should I sell that and start taking profit on it because I'm up 4x on a huge trade? Or is this just the most easy hold because this runs back to all-time highs?
Personally, I think you can still hold it. I'd be moving it to abstract and I'd be holding a bit longer, which goes against everything I just preached.
Yeah, I know.
The reason though is because of the XP earn. In saying that though, I didn't earn much XP from it, but like we spoke about, that might have been because proportionally everyone's ports grew. So
correct.
My allo was still the same percentage wise as everyone else's, although my port's 4 times bigger. I'm assuming you dirty dogs all have a 4 times bigger port as well. I'm not the only one, right? So
it's I'm a bit let down. I've clicked a lot of buttons last week on abstract.
Yeah, I was a bit bummed, right? I was a bit bummed.
A lot of volume through the platform, and it's not like my port would be. I'll say like it's in the top 10%, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, what's yours sitting at money wise on there? Mine's about 30K, man.
Honestly, it'd be more than that now. Hold on, let's.
Yeah, so I was like, fuck, I got less.
I forget I have a legendary weapon, so that's nearly 0.8 ETH as well. So, I'm not logged in. Hold on. I'll say when I was like getting a lot more XP, I did have initially about 30 to 40,000 on the platform. Because the market's pumped a bit now, it's telling me I have 29,000, but that doesn't take into consideration one hero and my legendary weapon, which let's just say that's an ETH. So ETH is worth what? 3.1. No, it's worth 3.3 now. So yeah, let's say about $31,000-ish on the platform.
So you got about 10. You get about 10,000 points for 10,000 US. Yeah, that's a bit more.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to dumb it down to that in a particular way.
Yeah,
yeah, it's interesting. So no, I think I will move my Pengu across. The reason I actually did enjoy having it separate is because I'm not. It is actually, even though it's like one of my most traded wallets, it's like I wasn't ever going to go on there and click sell. Whereas if it's on abstract, I'm way more tempted to click sell.
Just because you're checking it out more regularly.
Yeah,
I check it out heaps. It's annoying. I'm getting to that stage. That's how I also know it's a stage of the bull run. I've got to sell because I'm checking port values, man.
Yeah.
Every half an hour I'm checking, which is bad. Yeah. And also with Pudgy Penguins pumping, I'm checking the price all the time. It's pumping. Oh, no, it's only one sale. What did it pump? Anywho, it's the price of ETH going up. So it's that stage where I'm checking port values where I'm going for a P in the night. So good time to sell here as well. Another simple trade. Look at that bad boy. Real similar to Abster, huh? Just the way
very similar to Abstract. Poly as well. Like people like,
oh,
look at
that's
this.
so clean as well.
Use some TA, man. Use some TA, bro. Use some TA.
Poly,
if you don't know how to use TA, join GTG.
People would scream insiders on that, but that's moving quite cleanly, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's just clean TA, right? Hey, it's about as clean as you get. There's a link, chat. Come join us. It's interesting time. Like, Finn really pushed recently. Yeah, Breeze, I was on the spaces. He literally told me directly on the spaces, like, I should move my.
Did Finn say that?
Yeah, Finn's like, Greeny, move your Pengu. I was
okay, cool. If that came from him, then.
Yeah. So I
advice.
need to do that. Yeah, I need to do that. I agree,
Do,
Breeze. It is
do we
definitely
need more NFTs, Greeny, to earn more allo of this XP? Is that what I'm lacking? Because I've got 25 grand of memes and probably 4 grand of NFTs. Is that where I'm lacking?
Yeah, I don't know. Code makes a good point here in my chat. Just hold it. I don't think the extra XP will be that great. I mean, it is like if you have more money on the platform, plus you're clicking buttons across a range of different ways, plus you own NFTs, you're naturally going to get more XP, right? Like it is because you are actively using it and you have more money on the platform. If I click buttons, and trust me, I've literally just tested it for the past couple of weeks. I took money off the platform. I have been clicking maybe less buttons, and I saw it hold $20,000, $25,000 on there, and I'm losing XP. So as more people come to the chain, XP is going to be more distributed, right? It's going to be, you're going to, like the big dogs aren't going to earn as much. But if you own more money on the platform, naturally that's going to help your cause. So if Fins tell me that, if my accountant says it's all good for me to swap it on the chain for free as a taxable event, then it's a no-brainer probably to move it over to Abstract. I just like separating my wealth, Craig.
I do too. And I don't like the fact of holding tens of thousands of dollars on something that I click connect all the time with games. Although the portal's safe, I'm just old school. I just anyway, but I am doing it. So even though I don't like it, I'm doing it. That's, I suppose, the good thing with Abstract Portal is I do feel semi-safe. Obviously, you still keep your usual safety procedures, yada yada. But the one good thing is I feel a little bit safer about connections, but still be wary of that. What's that? Polly? Oh, that's still Polly. Eli asked for, he's probably asking for his bags for dog backwards to the dyslexic dog, but I don't know the market cap. Is it shockingly low?
Yeah, I looked at this last week.
Where the fuck is it? There it is.
So no, I did break out.
This is Nish's. He's the artist for this. So Nish, he's been in the community a while. That looks good. What's market cap? 337. Yeah, wish I'd bought yesterday by the looks of that. Fuck.
Yeah. So like a nice breakout, which is cool. I suppose very, very similar to Icy, but like the thing with these this like again that God chart looks a bit funny when you look at the candles, Craig. It looks a little bit like whereas like this is a lot cleaner in my opinion. On Icy.
Yeah, Icy, huh? Shout out to Icy, by the way.
Yeah. I've been clipping a little bit of profits into this move.
I did as well. I take it at all-time high. I've got no shame in saying that, man. Everyone who listens to any coin I ever show, just know when it hits all-time high, I'm selling some, man. Every time. I'm never going to not. There's no hard feelings. You guys are welcome to do it too. We should all be doing it. Like
we should celebrate each other's wins, Craig. That's
man. It's not about how long you hold. It's about how much you make. So no, there's no glory in saying you held for fucking 2 months round. The people I think on the timeline really like to say how much they round trip. Do you notice that?
Yeah, it's weird.
Like there's glory in it. It's like, round trip 5 mil. I round trip.
Bro, I had 5 mil and then now it's 1 mil. And I'm like, so you're a shit trader.
That's not good to like be like talking like. I mean, I know it happens, and I've got those stories too, but it shouldn't be a badge of honor. Like, that's not meant to be the good bit. That's the bad bit.
It's why entry. This is exactly why I use TA.
People that don't make money tell that story because that's not a good story, really.
Yeah, I mean, like it's money. It's people who don't take profit, but obviously it's people who don't take TA, don't use TA. But like this is why entries are so important. Why stop losses are vastly important. If you don't have stop losses because you can't do it on your exchange or whatever you're doing, you need to actively be watching those charts. And if it goes below that, that's invalidation, bro. That is invalidation. Like people don't have invalidations. People don't have entries. People don't take profits. Everyone literally should be in GTG so we can start educating you about literally how to execute, man. Because it's
the good thing about that information is once you learn it, you will never forget it. So if you come into GTG, stick around a few months, get comfortable with TA, the good news is you can leave and you've still got those skills that you can use for the rest of your life. It's not like you're joining the group and waiting for the calls. That's not the point because otherwise you rely on other people too much. The point is learn how to fish and you can go fish yourself instead of just
That's exactly it. Yeah, so many, and literally like, okay, some of the like, I won't mention his name, but he's a very prominent meme coin trader. He's now on like Colscan. He's now got his own FNN group. And all this. Guess where he started? He has as many followers as me now, which is nuts. But guess where he started? He came to GTG.
Oh, really?
And he learned how to trade. He got into Pudgy Penguins when I initially got back in November last year, Craig. So he rode that trade as well with me. So he's now, he's made 7 figures, I'm pretty sure, in meme coin trenches and stuff. So nice. Like that's just one example of one guy. There's so many guys in there who have, I mean, I did a video recently of a guy who joined us about 6 to 9 months ago. And he came in with a 30% win rate. His win rate's now above 60. So he's literally doubled his win rate in less than a year. And that's like, just again, it's shout out to not me, like it's the G2G community. It's everyone.
Come in and do the work as well, right? We can put the info there, but you've got to come and apply yourself. And applying yourself's hard. But if you do it, the good thing is start applying yourself, and then when you see the money start going up, you'll apply yourself harder naturally because you'll like the money. So it's a very rewarding thing to learn. It's one of the few things in life I think you can learn and actually make money quite rapidly from the knowledge versus, say you go to uni, you do a degree, it takes years to see that money that you put into your education actually have
and
a
you
result.
might never, like I studied
Probably
for years.
not. I mean, I probably
as a
won't.
teacher, man, I was never gonna get make millions.
Neither with mine.
Yeah, so I mean, let's pivot over to base. Making money on base as well. So it's not only just abstract and spot and futures, it's base. So Cato's finally breaking up, it looks like, for its next leg. I did actually sell my Yappy Barra this morning. I made money in USDT, but not in ETH. I lost like 0.04 or something. But my thinking is it's a bit of a gamble. Gambling on an NFT that potentially will get season 2 airdrop. Not sure, unconfirmed. When it's less liquid, I should have sold when it was at 1.9, 1.8. That would have been a great swing trade, but I wasn't tapped into that specific market. And I would rather buy the token, maybe stake it for the other potential opportunities. Like there's no way the NFT probably gets as many opportunities as the staked Cato, Craig. So I'd love to hear your take. I'm also pretty, people are, I think the yaps, I generally think Cato's yaps is a bit broken. Because it's the same bloody people getting the same amount every week, literally. And it's just from like engagement farming. Like, come on, man. Like, read some of these tweets that are going viral and it's literally engagement farming. It's not like, it's like, and then I go spend like 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes writing a thread and that gets me no yaps and it still gets like 20,000 views. I'm like, what the fuck, man? Like, it's just so unfair because old mate over here said a line about something and it went viral because of engagement farming and he has attention on him. It's just like, it's pretty shitty, man. It's shitty. And I've moved away from that. I've just been like, you know what? I'm on my own path. I'll create content. People will gauge with that. People will fuck with that. And then over time, I'll get bigger. Like I say, stay patient. Same again. Stay like if you want to grow a brand, it's a process and you need to exercise patience over time and consistency. So I still schedule tweets. I still post a lot of good alpha every single day because I know in the long run, okay, this could be the best sort of move that I'll make. This could be the best trade I make in my life, Craig, is actually growing my Twitter following higher. YouTube, I completely revamped my YouTube. So I'm hoping to look into new opportunities on YouTube again because I was just struggling a bit with content, with thumbnails and stuff. I just don't have the time for all that. So yeah, hopefully YouTube will be kicking off again soon. But yeah, it's I don't know. What's your thoughts on that?
Yeah, well, on Yaps itself,
yeah.
Look, it's not something that I focus on at all anymore. Whereas I used to semi-focus on it. Obviously, focus on it a lot when it first came out.
Yeah.
Obviously, for the airdrop rewards a lot and growing the brand, but I haven't focused on it a lot. But I am still earning Yaps. I'm not at 1,000 yet. I'm at 900.
Yeah.
It's not something I focus on anymore. I've just been focusing on talking about the content I enjoy.
Yeah.
Because if I speak about the content I enjoy and I'm passionate about, it should come through in my writing. Yeah. And I have a better time on the timeline that way versus, guys, check out Infinix Wallet or whatever. Like, I don't know how many more times I can do that right now.
Yeah.
In saying that, give me a good stimmy and I'll talk a bit of shit for a week. But no, dude, I'm just enjoying the timeline. Look, there's enough to talk about with the bull run now, where I feel I can actually help people and add value versus just shill a wallet to get an airdrop. I don't know, man. I think that stuff's good. But at the moment, I'm just enjoying putting charts up and saying to people, check this out or check that out or talking about cool shit. Speaking of cool shit, Popeye the Sailor Man just put up a PFP of Pudgy.
Oh yeah, there you go, man. There you go.
Which is not really that relevant, but I thought that was pretty funny.
Yeah.
What a time to be alive, eh? What a time to be alive. But
Well, let's talk about that because I saw my Yappy Bar and I thought, look, they're around the same price as a little pudgy. Should I buy a little pudgy here at
definitely,
1.56,
yeah,
57, 57? What do you think of that? Do you think they pull back a little bit more or?
fuck. Will they pull back?
And
I
they're
don't know,
also up.
dude. A little
They're
bit,
also
maybe.
up in USD because ETH is just pumping.
Yeah, ETH's sending it. I think in ETH they're pulling back a bit, both collections, but in USD they're up.
Yeah.
Have you got two?
No, I've got one, I think.
You got one? Would I grab one? Bro, I would have grabbed out 1.1, 1.2. I don't know about 1.6.
Yeah.
And then what? We'll fast forward 2 months' time and there'll be 5, and then you can replay this, and I'll be like,
Yeah.
yeah, look, long story short, I reckon these go higher regardless. So I think
Yeah.
these probably, I'm eyeing up maybe 3 ETH, something around there would be pretty
Yeah,
good.
same. I think that's a good minimum target personally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think a buy here is probably not bad. I wouldn't mind them having a pullback to 1.2, 1.3, and I'd really like a few more, bro. I feel it would allow me to trade more naturally and calmly if I had a couple more, like I've been saying. So I think what I'll do is as soon as these cool off, I'm gonna go back into some littles. I just needed to pull back. I've managed to scale out profits on abstract into Ethereum recently, the last week. So I do have ETH there now I can spend. So I wouldn't mind putting that ETH profit into a pudgy and try and take that profit and double it again. But yeah, I agree, crypto pricey. No, don't FOMO into it. So I'll wait for say a 20% pullback or something like that to get in. But I still think it probably a good buy longer term. But what about you? What's your thoughts?
Yeah, it's hard. I think yeah, if ETH keeps pumping, NFTs probably retrace a little bit.
That's my thoughts. I need ETH to fucking chill a bit.
Okay, if here's some alpha, or here's insight into my mind. If big pudges get to 12.5 ETH, I consider it. I do consider it.
Oh yeah, I know, bro. I know. Especially now that we're shaving profits.
Yeah,
it starts to get achievable.
Literally, I was thinking that. I was like, okay, if I bridge my Pengu over, that's literally 60 grand US over on Abstract. I could take some of that out from profits on Memecoins and then plow that back into a big pudgy, or plow that into maybe 3 little pudges or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
I am thinking about a range of different things. About how to capture that next move that'll displace what you do by holding an NFT, right? So
yeah, that's right.
That's what you got to think. Like, okay, like a lot of people say, oh, like what's coming next, Greeny? What should I do? And I'm like, you need to understand, okay, if you're happy in the things that you are, is there a way that you can outpace what they're going to do? If there is, it's worth it. It's worth the time. It's worth the alpha. It's worth the move. If it's not, dude, just be happy not pressing buttons. I don't know.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Look, that's the same with me, and with me being heavily in Pengu and Bitcoin specifically, I felt pretty good about just chilling. And it's starting to pay off now, and that's probably a good example of what you were saying, in that sometimes the best trade's no trade. And it was really hard to do. It's really hard to do sometimes, especially when there was that little meta of soul memes popping off, and you're like, fuck, should I go chase that?
Yeah.
But now with Pengu pumping, I look back and think, no, we're good. We're good. I've probably made more money now than I would have. I probably made way more money than if I chased those little ones.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a good example of patience. Shout out for the 24 people watching on Abstract, by the way.
Yeah, I just saw that, mate. You're crushing it, bro.
I know Eli. It's Eli in my chat. Maybe he's pumped it up. Eli's bullish on moonbirds and mythics.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's pivot to base, Craig, because I know you shared this morning as well. Did you watch the full clip or not?
I didn't, bro. But it is basically, are they rebranding?
Yeah, basically I think this is kind of what we touched on earlier. I think they want to become a new sort of like a new whole ecosystem, right? That has payments, it has apps. It's kind of like Apple in a way, I suppose. Oh my gosh, they had Gary Vee there.
Of course, the dirty dog's there. Yeah, that guy loves an appearance fee, eh?
Yeah. So yeah, it's obviously quite large. Like, I don't know, I haven't watched it, but
looks like they're going the abstract way.
Yeah, agreed. Which I mean, consumer crypto makes a lot of sense.
I like seeing this.
When you think about games too, and this is what we were speaking about on the spaces the other day with Eli and Finn and stuff, like like gaming, like the games that work, CS:GO, Fortnite, like the games that have in like game currencies with a collectible. If that can be like maybe flipped into crypto as well and blockchain tech, man, oh man, like it's gonna cook, man. So I think we're 5 to 10 years away from like ever really having a viral crypto game, like a viral that is played back to back, years to years. It's very rare for a game in general to get that right. You can think of, you probably put like maybe 10 on a hand, right? What you chuck Fortnite in there, it's the most recent one. COD's probably a series that people always go back to. World of Warcraft still gets played. CS:GO gets played. RuneScape gets played. So like there's only a bunch that people go back to consistently over time. Like I'm not going back to a random game from like 2018, right? So for that to happen in crypto with the tech and the payment systems, the structure of it all, like, I mean, Diff's on the path with Gigaverse, man. Like he's crushing it. The numbers that Finn and Co were sharing the other day, epic. So he's already maybe positioning himself as like the next big thing. Well, actually, speaking of games, On-Chain Heroes, they're struggling, man. They're struggling. The token.
Yeah, I haven't looked at what it is for a while.
Struggling. So I was thinking, I said to GTG yesterday, I was like, oh man, should I sell my legendary weapon and kind of like run it up again? It's at 9.8 million. Oh, dude.
It's yuck.
26K liquidity, Craig. That's the worry for me. Like there's, whoa, man. Like, so I actually said, like, you know what? What Scarly should buy a shit ton of the supply and burn it. Literally. And that would be so bullish because obviously it's a generating asset. Like everyone is generating hero every single day across like 5,000 heroes. I can't remember how many there are. So I know there's burn mechanisms in the game, but I think he should just make a ballsy move, man. And that would be good. Like that'd be healthy. People would love that. And I do think, because right now it's just a dump fest. People just want to take their money, sell it, take the money, sell it. Like it's no real incentive for me to stay in the game and keep my hero, right? Like it's like, yeah, I've remixed a shit ton of weapons. I'm probably up there with a lot. Like I'm in the top 200. So I've definitely done it a lot. But yeah, like what other incentive is it outside of XP? Not really something I'm that keen to do every week, you know?
No, outside of XP, no, it's not. It's not been a moneymaker at all. Yeah. I agree. It'll be good to, I hope he adjusts something because it's not working currently.
Yeah,
it's not. I'm thinking that what's it called? The boss Dogma.
Yeah. I hope that does something.
That's coming soon. They've been teasing about that, but I don't know if that. We'll see. Hopefully, he's got the mechanics sorted. Someone just wrote in the chat. Check OpenSea new tweet. What did OpenSea just tweet? I'll just have a look. Did they just?
They tease a token for me?
Yeah, tell me it's a token. Hey, fuck, imagine that.
When are we dropping this?
What we dropping, boys? What's this? Ooh, Doodles, Pudgy, Apes, and
I don't know. Is that AVAX or something else? I don't know.
Yeah, is that AVAX?
I don't know.
3 boats, a crate down the bottom saying OpenSea, and it looks like they're going to jump. Yeah, that looks like a drop, bro. What? Is that a token drop? They're about to jump out with a fucking bag with OpenSea on their back. OpenSea bags.
Yeah. Why is this one red and the other one's like, that's green?
Tell me they're not doing a merch drop of bags. That's the main, like,
imagine
that. Imagine that.
Breaking OpenSea dropping bags, guys. They're dropping bags.
Yeah, 8 million volume, you qualify for 2 bags. Be like, fuck, man. Oh, it's an NFT as well, not a real bag. You can't even use it. Yeah, what is, bro, surely. These guys fuck around with my emotions too much, man. And it pisses me off. Right. Remember them teasing end of last year and there was a picture of the ship saying coming soon or some bullshit?
Yeah.
I mean, fucking liars.
Have you been doing your rewards on the platform?
I've done a little bit, but not enough.
Yeah, no, neither.
Bro, half of
How much XP do you have?
750.
I mean, that's pretty good. That's better than not having any at all.
But I haven't. I've got to connect my wallet that I bought my big Pudgy on and all that because.
Yeah,
that probably got pretty good. I don't know. I haven't connected all my wallets. So I'm probably really going to regret that. What's this bullshit? Dropping what?
Yeah, I don't know. Some new game. Right.
Okay. I don't know, chat. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, so it's like buy an NFT. This is OpenSea for your voyages. Buy an NFT on a verified collection on Polygon. I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. You get 50 XP. Buy an NFT collection on any chain, 10 US minimum. You get 100 XP this week right now. 250. Complete a token swap of at least $50 minimum on their platform.
Oh,
so yeah,
man.
you could go. I'm at 1900. I don't expect. I'm like, I don't know. I think that's a lot, but it's more than probably a lot of people. But
do we think that's going to be a drop, an airdrop, guys?
Surely, the market's hot, bro. If they don't drop it now, they're never dropping it. Surely.
Bit of merch, OpenSea backpack or Moonbird socks, and fucking imagine.
What about
surely?
What about Photon and BullX and Co never dropping their airdrops? Hey,
bro, what the fuck happened there?
Fake marketing, bro. That's like literally illegal.
That sucks, man. That actually really sucks. Especially with BullX, because you actually earn tokens. It even says your amount that you
had a leaderboard and everything, bro. Yeah.
Like, so has there been any comms on that, or just no comms?
No, bro, there'll never be comms about it. No.
Fuck, that's grimy, eh?
It's dog shit, man.
People should smash them for that, man. That's despicable. Like,
it is.
Like reneging after they make a fucking fortune off everyone.
Yeah.
Rough. Bad form, guys. Real bad form.
All right. Well, for the last 20 minutes or 15 minutes or so, big show tomorrow, guys. We got Clemente on tomorrow, so that'll be an absolute banger. I'll pull that up in a sec. But let's look at some charts, Craig. Is there anything right now that really interests you at this point in time? Any charts that you're watching a pullback or anything like that?
Bitcoin, I'm really getting off to. Things I'm eyeing up, not really. Bro, not a heck of a lot. I still wouldn't mind getting into Cato, but the fact that I didn't buy that recent dip kind of tells me that I'm fucking around on that day. Because it's pumped again. I'm like, oh man, dude, you got to be better at just fucking what you're doing. Not really, bro. What would I want entries into? I wouldn't mind a Pengu pullback. I'm happy to grab some more there.
Right.
As far as abstract memes go, Guna, I wouldn't mind a bite, but it's pumped too hard, so I don't want to get bit. Nah, not really, bro. Not really. I'm not super keen to get into anything. I'm more super keen to scale out, to be honest. So I'm actually more inclined. I'm kind of more waiting just to see what the next meta will be. I'm happy with my positions. I'm happy with my port at the moment. So I'm more happy just to wait, shave profits out, and wait for the next thing. I don't know what it'll be. I don't know if it's going to be NFT. It's going to be some Ponzi. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm just alert for it. No, not really. Anything for you? Is anything that really probably abstract meme coins just for the XP earn?
Yeah. If I find a bottomed out chart, I'll probably buy it on abstract and agree with that.
That's where I need to look. Other than that, I'm not looking at anything too bottom of the barrel-y. Hype, I'd love to. I'm not in. I'd like some hype. Okay, yeah, actually, hype and fart coin.
Bro, I opened a big long on Altcoin.
Yeah, those are the two that I wish I was in, that I kind of have FOMO on. XRP, I've got a bit. Doge, I've got a bit. So yeah, probably Cato, hype, and whatever. I fucking gone blank what I just said, but yeah, those Farcoin. Sorry, yeah, those three.
This isn't pulling back, baby. This is sending.
Yeah, she's gone. So yeah, shout out to those three. I think they're great. What about you? What are you looking at? Anything in particular you really want to get into?
Anything that presents a pullback that has maintained strength. So, I mean, I just took more profits on this. I have been loud and proud about Harry Potter, Urbana, Sonic, Tinu, Ten, Inu, Shinu going up, and it's pumping crazy.
I'm still in it, bro. I'm still in it from a year ago. I'm down, but I'm in it.
BONK is going to all-time highs. Didn't capture it long, but I bought a little bit of spot back down here, so I'm up. Yeah, I'm up probably 50% on that bad boy. any chart that really presents a pullback. So these ones that have run before this now move, right? So MOG, Pengu, Hyperliquid, they lead the market, right?
Yeah.
So you want to be looking, you want to be pivoting over there if they start to go sideways or go down a little bit as the rest of the market captures up, right? SPX is also hitting new all-time highs. So, I mean, Craig, this has been a no-brainer. I'm up 80% on this in the space of what, like a month. So, nuts. Yeah, they're probably the ones I'm looking at, the ones that are actually red during days like this, because they're the ones that you're going to get opportunities in when the others slow down, liquidity rotates again. Okay, there's a reason they're consolidating now. Like Hyperliquid is facing a bit of traction at the $50 mark, right? So naturally, okay, if this pulls back down to like even like $43, probably I'm looking to maybe look for even like a long or a sort of trade back up here. I'd have my stop loss probably below that low. And then I'm targeting a move like, I don't know, it depends where the low comes in, but say the low does come into the 0.5, like targeting a move to the 2.618 up here at $60. Like it's an easy 2.5 risk to reward, low leverage, banger. Like, so exercise patience, but exercise patience now. Like, don't just ape into something, right? Don't ape into like something that's gone crazy, like BONK or like, I mean, you could, if that's your strategy, go for it. Doesn't work for me. I'm in the camp of, okay, I would much rather see if it sort of tops right and then sort of do something like this. And then, okay, now this is where I become interested. Okay, then I'll take it for that next leg. So that's what I'm looking at. Same on like pretty much the same as you. Pengu, I haven't taken too many profits on my Pengu 2 trade. So it's like, I'll move that to abstract like I discussed earlier. But if this starts to either, if it goes like this, or if it goes like this, okay, I'm interested. I'm interested in getting probably a long, probably got enough spot. I probably don't want to buy any more spot. I'd rather long it.
Yeah.
Or as some of the chatter kind of say, I'm not going to say that coin, but it just kind of, it more so just, it gave me a thought. Go and look at what's trending in volume, what's a new trend emerging, what's a new meme coin meta that's hot right now. The BONK memes have been hot for a while. That's where I spend time, because it's naturally the liquidity is going to go further down the risk curve, and the ones at yeah, I'm not. Someone in my chat knows that there's a bottom out chart. I'm not going to mention that on stream because it's so low. I'm not going to put that. But I did buy it. Yesterday. I'm not going to mention the token, but yeah, basically, yeah, I'm looking for opportunities of slowing down whilst everything else continues up, or I'm looking for new opportunities in meme coin metas that are just gone crazy. Like there's another one. Like shout out to Scotty, bro. He's on a heater, man. I took aggressive profits on it last night because I was like, he's on Europe time zone. So it's like he wakes up when I'm like in the afternoons. I'm like, man, like it's you giving such good alpha, but it's also like, shit, man, where do I put my take profit? Like, I'm like, do I put a 5x on this? Do I put a 3x on this? Do I put a 2x on it? Because usually they pump up there and then I wake up the next morning, they're already down back near my entry. I'm like, oh, well, I missed it, right? Yeah. And everyone has to sleep, but maybe you shouldn't sleep because I put that tweet out this morning. But yeah, if I can, like my Photon wallet is sitting at 56 SOL. So it's been, yeah, I haven't made, or I've lost a little bit this week. I was chasing some silly things yesterday. Oh no, it's down a little bit. It's at 51 SOL. Wait, oh no, yeah, it's at 53 SOL. So I'm up still 23 SOL in the past couple of weeks. If I can get this like Solana wallet to like say 100, 150, 250, that's literally fine by me. Like if I can make 100 SOL, like what's SOL now? Like 170?
Sol's been pumping, bro.
Yeah.
No, that's not that. 173. Ooh, 173.
Yeah, so if I can make 150 SOL from here, that's 26 grand. I'm happy with that. So that's probably what I'm looking at, is like more of the meme coins over that side market. Okay, chat. I'll have a look at the chart. Okay, let me have a look at it. It's literally got no volume, this coin. Literally got no volume. It's got 100K volume in the past 24 hours. The chart is bottomed, but I don't really like it. Anson bought the top of it and sold the bottom of it. Lol, good guy. And then you guys all go give him clout on the timeline. Idiots. Anyways, I mean, this chart is bottom. Good risk reward there, but is it going to run it back? Like what meta runs that token in the chat back? Yeah, bro. Okay. Million, I'm reading your token, bro. All right, Million, I'll give it to you. I'm reading your token.
Let's go.
Yeah,
let's go.
What catalyst runs it back? Don't know. So that's probably my alpha. Craig, to end the show today. is look for pullbacks, look for oscillating sideways in this sort of frothy market. ETH is on an absolute heater. BTC dominance showing more weakness now as well, which is cool. But yeah, I mean, that's probably the alpha right there. I mean, if NFTs pull it back, people will froth to NFTs. So if marketing starts to ramp up as well on abstract, that's probably worth spending more time on as well. So yeah, that's probably what I'm looking at this point in time.
That BTC dominance is breaking down nicely, isn't it? I mean,
yeah, it looks good, man. Looks
do you reckon
good.
that'll just go to the bottom of the range and then bounce again?
Maybe. It depends. We have been very overextended for a long period of time.
Yeah, that looks good, and that's, I suppose, one of the reasons why alts are starting to pop off.
Yeah.
Still a long way to go for alts, though, huh? Like, there's still a lot of work to do to catch up. And also the DXY sort of breaking down a little bit. It did try and recover, but it's breaking down as well. So there's a few catalysts for why these alts should hopefully pop. I hope we get a rock star alt season, man. I don't know if we will, but if ETH can continue to perform and Sol as well, that will be awesome, dude. That'll be awesome.
100%.
That'll be great. I see big pudgies thanks to Ethereum pumping $1,500 or 50K.
Yeah, no, they're not far away from 50K, man.
That's a fucking sweet price, man. It's a sweet
I know.
price. 75 next. It's going. I'm going to start getting itchy. Once that breaks above 60, 70, man. But happy days. And I see Binance US put on MOG Pit Viper glasses.
Yeah, I did see that too, man. I did see that too.
Binance don't have MOG yet.
I'm not sure. I don't know if they have it on leverage or not. I'm not sure.
I think that's what. Yeah, I think they don't have that tier 1 yet, Mog. So are they fucking teasing or what? What's happening there? Like,
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
What are they doing? Or is Binance just playing the game of let's fuck around with PFPs and with no consequences? Like, we'll just put that up and like what? Just to get the engagement.
Yeah, exactly. It's good to see. But that's good to see them sort of supporting brands and stuff now, or community culture tokens. And all that stuff. It's cool. It's actually like it's progressive. It's progressive.
Better than them just fucking around with VCs and like you know just only talking back to big accounts and stuff. Where you're like, well, fuck, man, that's not. That's not the people spending all the money. But yeah, who would have thought Binance would be putting on Pit Vipers, bro? I'm like, what the fuck? I guess this is bull. Bro, actually, before we go, McDonald's replied to Pudgy Penguins.
Oh, what'd they say?
Said something like, oh, fuck, it was pretty provocative, Greeny.
Oh, really? Hold on.
Like, it was quite, it was pretty teasy, bro. And people are still teasing that there's a big announcement coming. I don't have to fucking with my emotion.
Oh, dude, imagine if they have the toys, bro. I didn't even think about that.
Oh, that will be big, bro. I don't think people understand. Like, I know you can say
fucking massive, man. That's huge.
Like, I know it's the same as last. Remember last bull run where KFC and that were all talking to each other? Oh, it's listed on Binance US, but not Binance. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I wasn't sure where the line was
kind
drawn.
of like it's good, but not amazing. What are you seeing?
All right, hold on. I'm trying to find this.
Yeah, I got some of that as well, by the way. Where is that tweet? What did they write, bro? They wrote something that was actually decent, bro.
Is it McDonald's commenting on Pudgy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, but I'm not sure if it was in reply to Pudgy replying to McDonald's or McDonald's post though.
I don't. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. I think this could be it. Some y'all have middle bun syndrome. Real ones know that you can replace the middle bun with a McChicken. Big moves.
Was that it?
Is that it?
No,
when was that? July 17. That's today.
Maybe I read it wrong. Big moves. That's not as good as I didn't realize what that was in reply to. Oh, that's good. I've been shilling that too. I'm curious why Macca's has been replying to them several times. It's about the third or fourth time.
It's the interns.
Yeah, it's clever. Imagine if those toys had a QR code for crypto. Yeah, man. Fuck.
Exactly, bro. This is what I mean. Like, you guys don't
God.
understand how bullish that actually would be if there's toys. Like, even if it's just for a short amount of time.
Please, God.
Please pump my bags. Please
If you're
pump
up
my
there and
bags.
you're listening, I've been so good.
Bring them McDonald's, people, and pump my bags.
Man, like, oh yeah, that'd be sweet. Anyway, I'll take Popeye for now, but yeah, that'd be cool, bro. That'd be cool. Yeah, if we can get Macca's Happy Meal toys, please. Chris was on there. Imagine that. Oh, that was Chris who wrote that. What's up? What's up? Yeah, Happy Meal toys. I know it sounds silly, but I take it.
Exactly,
And
mate.
it kind of
Exactly.
ties in with Pudgy the way they're doing things. So
Yeah.
Greeny, can they get a McDonald's collab? Do you think?
Yeah, definitely.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely. If they can put a Pudgy Penguin in Kaisenet's stream,
True.
they can probably talk to McDonald's. Yeah.
Yep. Well, okay, I'm starting the rumor, guys. McDonald's is confirmed, so
yeah.
buy up. Oh well, man, what a time to be alive. McDonald's talking to Pudgy Penguins.
All right, I'll give 1 hour from the show. WTC. Looks pretty good.
It?
Looks pretty good here. The problem is the bloody liquidity, mate. I was buying $300 and the slippage was 17%.
Yeah, I bought it yesterday and the slippage was pretty brutal as well.
Absurd. 17%. That's nuts.
Yeah, we need to. How do we fix that, Greeny? How do
More
we?
liquidity on Abstract. More liquidity on Abstract.
Yeah, because that's pretty rough, right? Like, it's pretty rough. I need to buy more of that. I saw a dip. I bought it yesterday. I'm going to buy some more today. I like the lore of it.
Yeah, I agree. It's kind of cool.
Organic lore as well, which I like.
So, Dr. Decentralized, thanks for sending your tweet, but I can't click on the tweet in chat. So can you tell me which tweet it is? Yeah, I don't know. I can't find it.
Yeah. We love you for who you are, Grimace. You're sweet. Oh, that was just them. It's basically just them replying
to them again.
It's nothing massive, but I mean, the reply is massive. The reply is great, but it's nothing like see you in the office soon or like launch imminent or like But bro, if Mac has put out something like that, I mean, maybe I'm dreaming. I don't know. Is that a dream?
I mean, it's pretty loose, but yeah, I hope it ticks off soon. All right. Cool. Huge show, guys. Lots of alpha. Be sure to go follow us on YouTube if you want to catch the replays, or alternatively, you can go to GC Crypto TV on Twitter, and it has all of our replays. And you know what? We're nearly at 400 followers. Let's go. You know what? We might do a giveaway or something at 500 followers. I don't know. We'll see. So go click follow, guys. Here it is. GC Crypto TV. Basically, we're live every day, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in America and 9 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Go click follow, guys. But yeah, pretty much we're here. You can catch all of our replays, some clips. I've been throwing them up over the past couple of days as well to create some content. So yeah, come and watch here and click follow. But yeah, big show tomorrow. We got Clemente on, probably the hottest creator on Twitter at the moment. And I mean in looks, like that's it. All right. I mean the hottest in looks. All right. Nah, just but I mean, just honestly huge, content, and he's just nailing it. So he's someone that it'll be good to talk to around being consistent and playing the long game, man. Like he created the same content for a long time, and only more recently in the past sort of 6 months-ish, he's started to go pretty viral. So one of the top creators in crypto right now in a very fun, entertaining, and engaging way with video content. So I'll be absolutely stoked to have Chile Army 123 on the show on Friday for us, Thursday night for Americans. But guys, thanks for tuning in. I am literally going to go lay in bed all day today. I'll keep my laptop beside me and look at some charts, but my body is aching. We got family coming this weekend, so I need to make sure I'm okay for them, all those sorts of things. So, Craig, huge show, mate. As always, absolute pleasure. Market's hot, man. Market's hot. If you're not making money, probably just stack sats. So that's where I'm going to end it today.
I agree. Now, I might have a disco nap as well, I think, Greeny. I've had a hard week, and I said to my wife, I'm having a fucking little nap today. I'm going to recover myself. And, yeah, guys, like Greeny said, make sure you tune in tomorrow with Clemente. That's going to be an awesome show. Great creator, as Greeny said, so I'll second that. Greeny, you go get some sleep, rest up, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another banger. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. You're legends.
Thanks, chat. Appreciate you all. Cheers.